Khandala Ghat is ancient trade route from particularly Pune and nearby region to Mumbai, and at that time there was a port that is called as Shurparak port. This trade route, that was ancient trade route, that was protected by various forts. For example, Visapur, Lohagad, then Rajamachi, Dhak Bahiri. Like that, forts are there in surrounding of or in vicinity of this crossing pass. Now, this is actually Sahyadri mountain, which is covered by dense forest. This is evergreen forest of Sahyadri, and now we are at Khandala. You can see developments are there, and that's why we are able to travel nicely over here. Now that ancient trade route is not in use. Instead of that, various new roads are constructed here. But initially, when roads were constructed, now this is left side, we are observing old road from Pune to Mumbai, whereas we are traveling by new road that is called as Super Express Highway. So maximum dangerous portion of this road, that was now I can say the curve roads are cleared out, whereas in old roads they were having fantastic almost you can say hairpin shape bends were present with very steep climbing we were required at that time. Yet that route is also in use, but few people are going by that road. Otherwise, this is the beauty of all this region, Khandala and Lonavala. Now we are there on the road, express highway, but you can see fantastic vegetation just beside. I am traveling here by a sleeper coach. From upper deck we are making this recording. Some constructional work is going on, always there. This region receives very heavy rainfall. You can see the nature of house, traditional houses. They are having slanting roofs because of this heavy rainfall over here. Duke's nose is observed little bit, just you can say at center. See, whatever that pinnacle, distant pinnacle shape is there, that is called as Duke's nose. And now we are at Khandala and Lonavala region, where we are traveling by bus. Lots of constructions are here now. Now we are descending out. See, basically the Sahyadri mountain is there to the western side of Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock, particularly some part is intrinsic but maximum is extrinsic. Now this is Duke's nose. You can observe fantastic pinnacles are there. Actually it is set of two pinnacles. This is some three-dimensional problem, that from this side if you observe, it looks like a pinnacle. Actually it is not a pinnacle, it is a sharp end of hill that is entering here. So with only 2 to 3 great slopes, remaining only slanting road is there for that. This is all Sahyadri mountain ranges, or it is also called as Western Ghat by Britishers. In local language we are calling it as Sahyadri mountain. This is all evergreen forest. Once upon a time this forest was flourished with various animals. Wild animals were also there. Yeah, they are there in Sahyadri mountain, but because of this heavy traffic we can't see in this region. Lord Hanuman temple. And now enjoy this descending out from plateau to western coastal region of India. Nearly 500 meters you have to descend down. Here we can check out almost all deep valley. What city you are observing here, that is called as Khopoli. Whereas just beside that, to the back side, you can observe Matheran. If weather is very clear, atmosphere is very clear, you can check out Matheran, Prabalgarh, Irshalgarh and Karnala forts from this region only. So henceforth only music will be there. Thanks.